Hey, I'm Nick from Dorman Products, and this is our video on catalytic converter security products for the Toyota Prius. Catalytic converters are critical emissions control devices, but they are also prone to theft because they bring big money as scrap metal. The Toyota Prius is often targeted due to the high value of its catalytic converter. The cost of replacing one on these vehicles can be thousands of dollars, and to add insult to injury, these usually damage surrounding components in the process that also need to be repaired. If you're looking into how to prevent this from happening to you, you might have seen quite a few options out there. Stamping or painting a serial number on a converter helps prevent its resale, but it might not prevent a theft if the thief doesn't realize it until afterwards, which means you're still stuck with a huge expense. Welding things like rebar underneath can be an effective deterrent, but it also might make your vehicle a lot more difficult to service in the future. We feel our Cat Shield is elegant, effective protection for any Prius owner. Our converter shields are an easy way to make a vehicle a more difficult target. A thief sliding underneath a car only to find the Cat is protected by aluminum covers is highly likely to move on to an easier target. Seeing additional work to access the money parts increases the time and noise required to get to the converter, so thieves usually see it and move on. The aluminum is lightweight and installs easily into the vehicle. It won't rust like some metal anti-theft solutions on the market, and it doesn't sit below the body line of the vehicle, helping eliminate the possibility of snagging items under the car. We include blind rivet nuts and an installation tool in the package to make theft-proofing a Prius an easy, rapid task. The only item you need to supply is your drill and bits. Once the initial install is complete, the shield can be removed quickly by technicians if you provide them with a special service tool. The tool lets a mechanic quickly remove the security hardware that holds the shield in place. Installation can be performed by a savvy DIYer or a professional automotive technician. Mount points are identified, then the blind rivet nuts are installed. After that, the shield can be placed and secured using the security hardware, adding very little weight or additional labor for future repairs to the vehicle. We hope you like this new solution, and remember, if you need anything at all, the Dorman technical support team is always available to help. Thanks for checking out our video on this catalytic converter theft shield for Toyota Prius. I'm Nick, and I'll see you next time.